Hello student, now we will solve class 7 exercise 2.3 question number 5. Siley wants 4 sapling in a row in her garden. The distance between two sapling is 3 upon 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and last sapling. So the given information is Siley want total 4 saplings. So we assume these are the sapling, 4 saplings in a row, in one row. 4 saplings are there. So the distance between the two sapling, so distance between two sapling is 3 upon 4 meter. Here also distance between 3 upon 4. Here also 3 upon 4. So the distance between the first and last sapling, distance between first and last sapling we have to calculate. So you can see here distance between first and last sapling is, how we will calculate, this is nothing but 1 2 3. Okay, so total 3 difference is there, and we have the 4 sapling. This is the first, you can see the distance, this is the second, third. So you have to multiply this into 3 into 3 upon 4. Or the second way what we can do, you have to do addition 3 times, 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4, but this is the longest way. So it is easy if you do multiplication. So 3 into 3 is 9. It is 9 upon 4. So 9 divided by 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Remainder will be 1. So the answer is 2, 1 upon 4 meter. So the distance between first and last sapling is 1 upon 4. Going into the question number 6. Lipika reads a book 3 upon 4 hours every day. She read entire book in 6 days. So how many hours in all were required by her to read the book? So the given information is Lipika reads a book every day. How much are 3 upon 4 hours? That is the information. And she reads entire book in 6 days. So she reads entire book equals to 6 days. This is the given information. So they are asking how many hours in all were required to read the book. So you can say total hours required to complete, or you can say totals are required to read the book equals to. So she read every day 3 upon 4 hours. So what about the 6 day? So total hours required to read the book is 6 into 3 upon 4 hours. Why we have written this? Because in one day she is reading 3 upon 4, and in 6 days she read entire book in 6 days. So it means you have to do 6 into. For 6 day means in one day it is this much. So what about the 6 day? Why we are doing 6 day? Because she is reading entire book in 6 day. So here we have written total are equal to 6 into 3 upon 4. So it is nothing but 6 into 4 into 1 is 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So it is 7 upon 4. Finally you can cut both the number by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So it is nothing but 7 into 3, and downside it is 2. So it is what? 21 upon 2. So you divide this number by 2. So here 2 into 10 is 20, and remainder will be 1. So it means our answer is 10, 1 upon 2. Here it is 10, 1 upon 2. So this is what? Total hours. So we can say the total hour required to read the book is 10, 1 upon 2 hours. So now after that we will move to the next question. So next question is question number 7. So in this question, a car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. So how much distance will it cover using 3/4 liter of petrol? So this question is quite easy. So here 1 liter equal to how much distance? 60 kilometer. So what about 3/4 liter? So as we here we are doing multiplication. So here you multiply this into 3/4. Why we are doing multiplication? 1 liter is already given, so you have to do it for more than 1. So we always do the multiplication for that. So it means here 16 into then 3/4. So 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11/4. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. So here it is 11 into 4 is 44. So it is 44 kilometer. So here in the question, how much distance will it cover? So you can say it will cover 44 kilometer distance. Now we will go into the next question, question number 8. Provide the number in the box such that 2/3 into particular missing number is there, and here 10/30. We solve in rough. 2/3 into here bracket equals to 10/30. So how we will get 10? If you multiply by 5, and downside if you multiply by 10 we will get 30. So 10 into 3 30, 5 into 2 is 10. So here our answer is 5/10, because 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 3 is 30. So the simplest form of the number obtain, what number we obtain? 5/10. So the simplest form of 5/10 is 1/2, because both the number are divisible by 5. So it is 1/2. Provide the number in the box such that here 3/5 means 3/5 into missing number is there 24/75. So how the 24 will come? If you multiply by 8, because 8 into 3 is 24. Downside 15 will be there, because 15 into 5 is 75. So here the missing number is that 8/15. The simplest form of the obtained number in 8/15 is 8/15 only, because both the numbers are not divisible by common number. So I hope friend you understood these questions. Thanks for watching. Thank you.